Hey, champ, I thought we were gonna see you do some practice fighting today.
Yeah, how about some sparring?
Hey, sorry guys, Rita's sparring partner is still in the hospital.
I'm not surprised after how Rita kicked her in the face last week.
I didn't mean to kick her that hard.
So, any of you guys want to go a few rounds with Rita?
Maybe this guy. Hey, not me.
I will.
You will what?
I'll spar with Rita.
Sam, what are you doing? She put her real sparring partner in the hospital.
Let's see him fight.
A couple rounds.
Rita, you want to spar with this girl? What's your name?
Sam. Whatever. Sure.
All right, get her some gear. All right. This is just gonna be a little practice fight.
You sure you want to do this? You sure?
All right, let's mix it up.
Come on, son.
She's never been knocked out.
All right, that's it. Show's over. Back on.
Okay, everyone, my name is Dice Corleone. I'm Sam Puckett's manager. If any reporters have any questions or would like an interview with my client, please surround us now.
Mr. Corleone, we're not discussing this.
Will you just wait till Sam gets here? Because you're gonna be sorry. Sam?
Yeah, what you need?
You said you'd be home by dinner time.
Oh, I know, but
Running through my memory.
I'm gonna be a little late.
Late? That's the fourth time this week you've been late. Hey, put that down!
Eat garbage! Back here! Cat, I'm sorry, but Pinky wanted me to stay to hear his new song.
Oh, I didn't want you to come home and help me babysit.
Call Dice and Glover, they'll help you. Great.
Sam!
I do not believe this.
I'm sorry. What's the problem?
You're here babysitting with another girl.
Oh, you're never home.
Yeah, because I've been at work, working my butt off all day and night, and then I come home to find you here with another girl.
What did you expect? You work all the time and I have needs. Holy pickles! It fits perfectly. Oh,
It's just a shoe.
the best shoe ever. Look at it.
Hey, I don't need to smell the shoe.
Yes, you do. Oh my gosh, my foot is in love.
Hey, people are staring.
It's love at first shoe. I am so over you.
Alright, I can't take this.
Sam, no. Please don't drink another root beer.
You folded our money into a man.
We've already had 3 root beers and it's still morning.
I drank the root beer because of you.
Wait. I'll take Mr. Bills apart and we can count the money together.
A few moments later.
What are you doing? Put that down.
Why?
Because you're mad, and when you're mad, you shouldn't handle wieners.
I know what I'm doing. What are you doing?
I'm making more of my fudge pile.
Nobody likes your fudge piles because they're too chewy.
You're too chewy. Damn it. Shut the fridge!
You like it?
Mikey, I love you! It's all the stuff from That's a Drag! Show us! Wow! We have to find out who did this!
I did this.
Really? Sam, you're so sweet!
Hey, never.
Oh!
It's me, Sam. Let me out of this couch. Hurry.
Oh! Yay! That's not how you sleep in a sofa bed. Good morning.
How many times have I told you not to wake me up like that?
Well, you've been living here 2 days, so 2. How much bibble do you have?
We brought a big tin jug with it from England.
Time out!
What?
Fighting is never the answer. Now let's just try using our words. What is this? A speedboat for ants? Can I please have some ketchup?
I don't understand your question.
Sorry. I just want some ketchup.
Searching the web. There are 3 pet shops near you.
No, I don't want a pet shop. I just want some ketchup.
Enjoy your meal.
Well, that was frustrating. See? I flipped the switch, and then the machine flipped it back to its original position.
Please don't show me again.
Watch again. It never gets old.
Okay, what was that conversation?
Oh, Murph just asked me if he could go outside to the patio. I said no.
You can't speak goat.
Sure I can. She was just joking.
Choking! 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 Enjoy your meal.
Why did you do anything?
I was getting video.
Sam and Cat Super Rockin' Fun Time Babysitting Service. Contact us at
Sam and Cat Super Rockin' Fun Time Babysitting Service.net.
.net.
.com was taken. Call 991!
Why?
Somebody snatched my bibble! Yay! We're blue-haired twins! Yahoo!
Say blue cheese.
Blue cheese! Hi! Hello, future me. It's me, past you. Just a minute ago, I found a rotting taco that made me gag.
Daddy! Carl! Oh, thank you so much for pushing my father out of the way.
Sure, it was fun. I got half a roll of toilet paper, some dental floss, and car keys.
Where are the car keys?
Oh, on the bathroom floor. They bounced off my face after the lady threw them at me. Wait! I still need help. I'm on the... That's all I need. They still live here in Los Angeles. Thank you, Internet, for destroying everybody's privacy. I am really smart. What? Why are you laughing?
Wait. No, let's see what you said. Say it again, one more time.
I said I'm really smart. I don't have a prison record, so maybe I'll just get a firm grip. I gotta join a gym. Listen, I am in love with this pink shoe I found, so I have to find the other one. I don't have time to think about meatballs, meatloaf, meat fruits, or any other kind of meat until we find the other pink shoe that matches this pink shoe. Take me down to the basement, fill the buckets with cheese. What? See? $400. Governor! Oh, hi.
Hey, what's up?
Sup? What's up is, looks like you guys forgot to invite me to your little get-together.
No, we were just about to text you.
Just about. Robbie Shapiro!
Oh, Cat, you're back. Robbie was just singing me a little song he wrote called...
I know what it's called. He wrote that song for me.
Cat!
I'm swell, me!
Hi.
It was Cat.
I'm making more of my fudge piles.
Nobody likes your fudge piles because they're too chewy.
You're too chewy.
You okay in there?
Yeah, it's kind of cozy. It reminds me of my closet where I used to hide from my brother.
Why would you hide from your brother?
Just, to survive. If we happen to find a donkey eating a hamburger, then Dice is somewhere in Hawaii.
Okay, this girl makes Gibby seem like a genius.
Dirt from Tennessee.
Why would you buy dirt?
Half off and free shipping.
I work for the bombs. I'm here to pick up their children.
Yay! Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sound rude or anything. You guys are just really annoying. Listen here, jerkles. You bully my friend Goomer one more time and that's it. All right. You think you're tough stuff, huh? Well, you try that again and I swear I know I'm frozen, but if a part of me itches, am I allowed to scratch it? Please? Oh, my contact lens! Somebody help me find my contact lens!
You need some help?
No, get lost, great.
Not the weirdest thing I've walked in on here.
Sam, hi! Oh,
What's up with the, that?
I'm babysitting.
I don't see a kid.
I guess you must have left. Please help me down.
Yep.
Thanks.
Sure.
Mr. Michelle!
I'm sorry, the show is canceled.
No! Mr. Michelle, please, no, don't get in the car! No! Don't start the car! Oh, you started the car! No, Mr. Michelle, please, you're my only hope! No! You can't just wipe me away!
You don't understand. Goomer's not gonna stand up to his mother. And if she finds out he's a fighter, she'll probably make a move back home to Louisiana.
Louisiana?
I went to camp with a girl named Louise. She pooped in the lake. She tried to blame it on a fish. But I knew.
You cut the pizza into rectangles!
I know what I did. I take geometry.
You know I only like triangular pizza!
So why did you ask your new best friends Jade and Robbie to cut your pizza for you from now on?
Alright, screwing up my pizza is crossing a line!
Sorry, you mess with the cat, you get the whiskers. That tears it. Hey, Jed Xander, why don't you just admit to everybody that you're wearing a wig?
I would never wear a wig. I am all natural. Look.
Who are you, anyway?
Well, I'm just the girl who's gonna tear